Wait for clams? They just call it that, Alex, because the bucket opens and closes like a clamshell. What's it doing anyway?
Looks like the clam digger is removing sand, silt, and mud from the access shaft of the tunnel. The ground men guide its big jaws into the center of the hole.
The clam digger is attached to a crane, too.
That's right, Max. Cranes have lots of uses on a construction site because they're so good at lifting heavy things to high places.
Yeah, that's gross.
It really is messy, Alex. That's why the clam digger is such a useful tool. I have an idea. Let's go see some other ways that cranes are used on construction sites. Like here.
Now that clam digger is definitely catching clams.
There might be a few in there, Alex, but actually this clam digger is dredging out a channel for passing boats.
Dredging? That means it's making the river deeper so boats won't hit the bottom when they float through.
Right, Max. The barge next to the crane will be loaded with wet sand, silt, and debris until it's full. Then tugboats will pull it to a place where the muddy mix can be dumped safely.
Wow! Only a crane could hoist a heavy metal platform like that up to a tall bridge.
You got that right, pal. Nothing like a crane for lifting and lowering. Me and my crane friends can do it all day long, and we never get tired. Hey, listen to this. Let's sing it, boys.
Bucket on that crane over there.
Hey, you spotted a dragline bucket, Max. Sometimes big digging machines like that crane are just too heavy to travel over very wet or soft soil.
Even with their wide track treads spreading the weight?
Even so.
You mean they could sink and disappear and never be seen again?
I wouldn't go that far, Alex. But they might get stuck, and that would mean using other machines on the construction site to pull it out. Instead, they use a crane with a dragline to dig up the wet soil. The workers attach the enormous dragline bucket to the crane boom by a cable. Then the crane operator casts the bucket far out in front.
Like fishing?
Sort of like fishing, Alex. Then he reels the bucket in, letting it drag slowly along the cable line, gulping up dirt as it goes. The drag line is designed to fill itself as it's pulled across the ground. And when it's full, the crane man just lowers the front end and the bucket's empty.
Boy, there's about 100 ways you could use a crane. Hey guys, don't say anything mean about this comfort. Remember what happened the last time?
That's called an articulated dump truck because the cab part, where the driver is sitting, can move independently of the dump van, where the dirt is carried. It's easier for an articulated dump truck to maneuver over loose sand and difficult terrain like you see here. Let's watch it back up and dump its heavy load.
Toy dump truck once that was just like that one. But I dropped it in the creek behind the house. Yeah, and you cried for hours. You're not, you too.
Hey, calm down, guys. You don't want to miss this neat backhoe working together with the off-road dump truck.
How can we see one of those backhoes at almost every place we go?
Good question, Alex. Practically all construction involves some form of digging or earth moving. The backhoe is able to dig tons of dirt quickly and efficiently. The less time it takes, the more money a construction company can save. And that's why they bring a backhoe to almost every work site.
That dump truck will be back for another load later. Do you know him,
No, not unless he's another construction genie. Well, looks like the dump truck and backhoe are finished working together for now. The backhoe's raising its bucket high into the air and creeping along on its steel track, searching for the next digging spot.
I think I hear a little kid's voice calling. Mommy, where are you, Mommy? Hey, look over there. It's a baby front loader. Has anyone seen my mommy? Maybe I raised my arms to see me. Oh, Mommy, baby, I'm looking for you, Mommy.
Over here, honey. Mommy has to move a big boulder so we can build a road through here. Don't get too close now. Someday you'll have a big 6-yard bucket like mine and weigh as much as I do. More than 11 tons. But you'll have to practice maneuvering with your tires in your bucket first. Watch how Mommy lifts and lowers her bucket and scoops up all the dirt. Now run along and play with your cousin, the backhoe loader.
That baby front loader is so cute.
Yeah, and he looks like he's a fast learner, too.
Hi, cousin. What you doing?
Hi, baby. I'm just using my backhoe here to dig a trench. Special control levers move the cylinder arms that tilt my bucket. With gentle handling of those control levers, the driver can get me to reach way out. And pull way back in on that packed soil. A quick turn to the side, and my bucket's empty. Using a light touch, I can even push big logs out of the way with my nose.
Hey, I want to try that.
Why don't you follow me across this mud puddle instead? My fat tires and deep tread, I'll never get stuck. And each wheel operates independently, so my tires can even lift off the ground, and I'll still move forward.
That's a funny trick, cousin.
Backhoe front loader machines like me are found on every construction site, because we're so versatile, fast, and maneuverable.
You know, guys, all this big machinery can be very dangerous. So be smart and safe. Never ever play near a real construction site. And if anyone except your mother or father asks you to go to a construction site, just tell them Hard Hat Harry says no way.
It's just like the baby's mama, my first shovel can push the carry lots of dirt in one gulp. Whoops, looks like some real loose soil ahead. I might start spinning my wheels.
Hey, let's go take a look at the forklift over there.
Is it left a foot?